Okay, Lou Depot back here again. And this is for you young guys that are just getting out of school and may want to get into plumbing or heating and have no clue what anything is. And you may hear the word zone or not, but really may not understand it. So I just want to go over this real quick so you completely understand what a zone is. And when I speak about zone, I mean there's zones of everything, but we're talking about a specific zone of heat. And what they do is they cut heat up into zones, especially hot water, because of one reason. The water cools, and we're going to go over it. Some of the houses are very large, and if you were to take a boiler and just take the hot water out and the return coming back, that's how zones work. You go out with 180-degree water, and you go through the baseboard upstairs, and to the next room, and to the next room, back to the living room, back to the den, to the bathroom, to the kitchen, and back to the boiler. If you were to do the whole house in one zone, and it's a small house, that might be okay if it's a very small house. But a large house like we have these days, we're talking 2012, this water leaves at 180 degrees. That's what you need to get 600 BTUs per foot out of baseboard. That's how they figure the room's being heated. But by the time it traveled through all the bedrooms and everywhere else in the house, it would cool down to 160, 150, 140, and it would be so cool that the last room or the last two rooms would always be freezing. There would never be enough heat for those rooms. So what they do is they cut it up into different zones, and we're going to go over that next.